Hello, Ableton Advanced Community, and welcome home. Welcome to the main hub, and welcome to the main channel. I want to say thank you to our existing members, our founding members, and those who are just joining. We have reached 17,000 members, and that is just staggering. I want to say thank you to Madeleine Bloom, our resident certified Ableton trainer. I'll put a link down in the description. She is over at Sonic Bloom. I'll put a link down in the description on that too as well. Go check her out. Thank you. She's one of our founding members. That is very cool. We have Jason Timothy. You can see his units or guides up in the top of Facebook here. He does mental health coach. He sells a book on Amazon and you can find it on the internet. It's called The Mental Game of Music Production. Very cool guy. He is going to help you with your mental approach to making music. Very cool. Don't let the term Ableton Advanced Community intimidate you. Also, don't let it get to your ego as well and be a know-it-all in the group. We all use Ableton in a different way. Some of us are bass players, some of us make EDM, some of us do voiceovers, cartoons, some of us do effects to drone videos and things like that. So keep that in mind that not everybody plays Ableton like you do. Okay, so all the previous rules will be lifted and post-approval will be implemented with the gatekeeper rule as the foundational rule, and our mission statement is give more than you take. If you want to see some examples of that, then go check out Sonic Bloom. Like I said, that link will be down in the description, or you can go check out Steve Knott's pages as well. He's another founding member in the group, and he has a wonderful channel that gives a lot of stuff away too. So those are two people that I would go check out anyway, because they give a lot of stuff away on their channels, and it's just very informative. So that brings me to my next question. Why is it me? I've had other people in here that are better than me, that are more qualified for the position, but they are busy helping people and they have their own groups and sites that they are dedicated to, and that's fine. We are going to give them their own guides and units within the group. So look forward to that. People like Steve Knotts and Sonic Bloom and Jason Timothy, all these people are fine with being promoted within the group, and I'll help you out promote yourself too, as long as your group or site follows the mission statement, which is give more than you take. So all you have to do is submit it, and if you don't get your post is not approved, then I'm sorry, it just didn't fall within those guidelines. Okay, so now we're over 17,000 members. We need to try to change some things up because things are just getting overwhelmed with spam and people sending links with no descriptions to anything, people with their cell phone videos asking for mastering help. We are Ableton Advanced Community. We are here to help each other grow and help our image grow. We are a hive mind. We are 17,000 strong. We can help each other out. We have a common interest already, so we can support each other. And also we're going to be doing some new things too. We've already implemented them, and you can check those out. They are track meet and greets. We do them once a week where we can give track feedback and help each other out with supporting each other's channels and giving each other constructive criticism on each other's tracks. That's helping out nicely with mixing and mastering, arrangement technique, sound design, sound selection, and things like that. So that is very cool. We're also going to be doing videos on that too. I'll probably do that bi-weekly or maybe monthly, depending on how I feel. So that is going to be as cool as well. I'm going to be helping you get your name out there and highlighting some really cool tracks and things that I just think that are different. So that is something to look forward to. We will also be re-implementing the competitions and challenges, which have prizes that you can win. They will be sample packs, MIDI packs, things like that, of that nature, and the prizes will probably get bigger as the group grows along. So, why is it me? I had other people try to get into the position and they just can't, they don't have the time. It is either that, or they have taken advantage of the group and gotten what they need out of it by channeling traffic over to their sites or channels and getting their 1,000 subscribers, or getting what they needed out of it for their ads or their spam, and then they left the group. I am the guy that's founded the group, and I feel like I'm the only one that I can actually trust to actually spearhead the whole thing. So here I am. And I promise you that any beneficial gains that I get back from this, I will keep it under the fundamental rule of give more than you take. So that is giving back on the challenges and the competitions where I'm going to be giving things away and just running everything. We're going to be pulling in a lot of time, effort, and dedication to getting this channel back to where it was on its fundamental level and an intimate vibe. Here we go. I might lose some people. I might gain some people. I am not an Ableton master. I consider myself somewhere in the middle, but what I can do is facilitate that knowledge and terminology to a lower level of understanding. I am here to moderate the group and encourage interactions, bring you tips and tricks, cutting edge knowledge and information on VSTs, software, hardware. I'm here to promote our music from our weekly track meet and greets. I am here to facilitate the challenges and competitions. I'm here to keep it at the overall fundamental level of give more than you take and keep it open source knowledge pool. So thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you to our founding members for sticking out there this whole time. Thank you for getting to 17,000 members. Sorry to see you leave. If you are leaving, I can kind of understand that this is a big change and it's not for everybody, but it is open for logical discussion and change. So leave your comments down in the comment section or feel free to send me a message or a friend invite. I like to talk to everybody and get everybody involved. So this is your group. This is our group. It's us. So I look forward to seeing what is going to be the future of Ableton Advanced Community, and I hope to bring you along with us. Thank you.